There he is. This is going to be a massive prize for us Grandnoise. Thanks to the balls telling us where we'd find him in this big galaxy. Once we're successful, we'll be able to blackmail the government and collect 1 zillion decimals. He's extremely important for universal research. Doda, you're going to be the one to guard our prize this time. I assume they'll catch up, so guard it well. I'm going to capture another prize. Be sure not to rot this up and end in prison again. I'm not sure who will be able to get you out of prison next time. Of course, we have other ways to break you two out. Gold Daiga, you know your part, but be careful. The agents are there. Don't kill Jim Dava, we need him alive. We assign Doda as your partner this time.
Why am I working with this shrub?
Do as Commander Mahadris. We installed some surprises in Doda for defense purposes. Remember, don't reveal the boss's secrets upon the investigation if captured. If necessary, we'll break you two out, considering your importance. Carry on, my peons. Kasha out.
Excuse me. Quite sneaky in the herd there, are we? Kindly allow the dysfunction to pass first. You'll need that lane. You two have me curious, so I assume you're heading to the museum as we are as well. I wonder what are you planning to do there?
Due to respect, Agent, we have no time for this quarrel. We prefer to be on time to the museum. We care not for the dysfunctional, because they are inferior and should be letting us by. Let's move along, sir.
No, wait right here and let him pass by. He's the only one coming.
Now, why were you two sneaking behind us that way? Is this the Ritusian way of trying to mob us? Should I treat you like a savage Nurtuk and prepare to defend myself?
Speak now, Whitey. Don't try to dodge the question. Who are you here for?
You insult us. We Widoks are the most professional in the galaxy, and the most advanced. How dare you make those claims? Is this a game you're playing, Agent? We no time for this. There's no cause for arrest. We're moving on here.
Good job, Scalibur, for disrupting his electrical noise inside his brain. With that, I was able to hear his intentions, hear his thoughts, and also hear his past and learn about who he has connections with. They don't know who they are working for, but they are seeking something or someone who's from their history to uncover a mystery. I wonder what.
What is this? What are you agents doing?
Oh man, not the Dreadnoughts. Who hired those thieves? This is bad timing. But it's great timing that my blue friend here parked our phase car right over there. Scalibur, simulate the shortcuts.
Got him. Perfect shortcut simulation right there.
You, sir, in the back. Make sure your seatbelt is on. This car can phase through objects. It's called the phase car. If you don't wear your seatbelt, you won't phase with the car.
What do you mean? I always wear my seat belt. This must be expensive to produce.
Correct. Okay, brace yourselves. We're gonna take a shortcut. We're gonna phase through more buildings and cars to catch up with them.
Why did you?
I thought I'd have a little fun than just phasing through that purple building earlier.
Yeah, that was totally fun.
How did your primitive minds come up with such a contraption? Impossible. We don't even produce this.
Ha ha, this model is old because the interior sucks. But there goes your most advanced argument. Goldaiga and Doda, two thieves we captured several years ago, somehow were bailed out. Two of us would sit here to guard this Widdock, and only one is needed to capture the thieves and rescue the other one. Who would?
Brethren, I have a confession. I could have stopped them. I allowed my poor judgment to kick in. Could have saved time in that old Widdock. Yeah, should have listened to Calipix. Allow me to redeem myself. I could save him with my sable whip. Nah, he's probably a criminal anyways.
Scalibor, simulate the weak points of the vehicle.
The weak points of the vehicle are right there.
Cool.
What if they charge their teleporter device in time to get away?
Way ahead of you, I activated the Ling Porter device as soon as they drove off, so even if they teleport, they'll automatically come back. Stop, you're under arrest. You have no chance. We are now slowing down your vehicle.
Darn it. Looks like I have no choice. At least we stalled those idiots long enough as planned.
You two are coming with us, and we'll be behind laser bars. Release him or you'll face the consequences.
What? They sent a midget to capture us? Pathetic.
You're going to have to work hard to put us behind laser bars. We're ready this time. My whip is better than your garbage whip. You're a fool to take us on all alone.
I'm Various, the Dynamic Cosmic Defender. Subscribe, hit that like button, and ring that bell for notification. Have peace.